Welcome to our class, and today we are going to learn an important topic, grammar part. Okay children? Good. And today we are going to learn an important grammar part, that is an adverbs. Okay children? Listen. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that tells something more about verb. An adverb is a word that tells something more about verb. Okay? And see, an adverb tells how, where or when an actions happen. An adverb tells how, where or when an actions happens. Clear children? Let's see some examples. I ate my dinner quickly. I ate my dinner quickly. In this sentence, ate is a verb, quickly is an adverb. The adverb describe the action ate. Clear? And see the next one. My mother came home early. My mother came home early. Came is a verb and early is an adverb. I write beautifully. I write beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb. Okay children, and see, everyone take your English concept book and see page number 41 in your concept book. Okay children, the concept connection. Adverbs. A verb is an action word. A verb is an action word. An adverb is a word that describes how, where or when an action takes place. Clear? Okay children, let's see some examples. She was crying softly. She was crying softly. How was she crying? Softly. Yes. And see the next one. Anju and Yana played outside. Where did Anju and Yana play? Outside. The question asking where. The next one. They were playing inside the house. They were playing inside the house. Where were they playing? Inside. Have you all clear about this adverb? Good children. And now let's do practice zone 1. See question number 1, practice zone 2. Read the sentences from the story and underline the adverb in each sentences. So see the first one. The teacher was smiling happily too. Can you guess it? Yes, happily is an adverb. Everyone's underlined that word, happily. Good. And see the next one. She touched Tara's arm and said softly. Softly. Underline it. And the third one. Before going back, Tara hugged Neera's mother and Neera tightly. Everyone circle that, underline that word, tightly. Good. And see the last one. Oh, that's so nice. Neera shouted happily. Everyone underline the word happily. Okay children, I hope everyone completed the practice on 2, question number 1. And see the next one. Everyone see page number 42 in your concept book. Pick an adverb from the ones in the box and use it to complete the sentence. Ask yourself the question how. Example, how did John walk? So here gave some sentence and everyone read the sentence carefully and you have to find the correct suitable adverb in this box. See the first one. John walked dash. Quickly. Yes, write fast. Quickly. The next one. Uncle shouted dash at me. Angrily. And third one. She was singing very sweetly. Yes, sweetly. Write it. The fourth one. Deepa petted the dog dash softly. The last one, the teacher spoke loudly. Yes, the teacher spoke loudly. Children, have you all completed this? Okay, children, and note it. Most of the adverb ends with ly. Okay, most of the adverb ends with ly. Okay, good. Shall we move to the next one, Ra? Good. And see question number 3. Read the following sentences and use the hint in brackets to find the adverb and underline the adverb in each sentence and rewrite the sentence below. So here gave some sentence. So first everyone read the sentence carefully and you have to find the adverb in the sentence, and after that everyone rewrite the sentence in properly. Okay. See the first one. We played here. Where? It's mentioned the particular place. Here. Here is an adverb. Everyone underline the particular word here. Now everyone's rewrite the sentence. We played here and underline the here. The next one. Today is my birthday. When? And today is an adverb here. Everyone underline the word today. And now everyone's rewrite the sentence. Today is my birthday and underline the particular word today. Fast children. And the next one, page number 43. Let us go outside. Everyone's where? They asked where. That is a particular place outside, right? The sentence outside. Let us go outside. So everyone's underline the word outside and rewrite the sentence. See the fourth one. The thief ran away quickly. So everyone underline the particular word quickly and rewrite the sentence. And the next one. She visited me yesterday. When? Yesterday. So everyone's underline the word yesterday. Okay. And the next one. I write beautifully. Beautifully. Everyone's underline the word beautifully and rewrite it. The last one, the teacher spoke softly. How? Softly. So everyone underline the word softly and rewrite it. Okay children, I hope everyone completed your practice zone, and now it's time for homework. And today's homework is complete question number 4 and 6. Complete question number 4 and 6 in page number 43, 44 and 45 in your concept book. Okay. I explained today's homework. So see question number 4. Make sentences using the following adverbs. So here gave adverbs. So everyone, you have to make a simple sentence using these adverbs. Okay children? Good. And see question number 6. Write the adverb in each sentence below and write whether it describes when, where or how the actions take place one has done for you. So everyone write the write the adverb in each sentences. Okay, everyone's read the sentence and you have to find and write the first dash in the adverb, and the second one write whether that describe when or where or how. Okay. Okay children, I hope everyone cleared about your homework part. Once you are done your homework, post it in Google Classroom grade 2 English. Okay children? Good. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you children. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.